Hello my people, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are just coming, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Sandra Timan TV channel. Please, if you come across this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Subscribe, make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share the video, please. Share the video, guys. And share the video, subscribe to my channel. Share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will bring many Ogbonge to read on this YouTube channel. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime when I drop a video, you'll be the first person to notice. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I want to talk about the people when they use people matter till they come out for social media. I mean, fighting for someone for social media. Okay. If you want comment, if for social media you want to be presenter, not use anybody name take comment. If you want comment. If people like what you do, they go follow you. You don't need to bring anybody down because you want comment or because make her for quick famous for social media. These days for social media, people just want to bring somebody down just to take comment for social media. It's very bad. It's very bad, my people. It's very bad. You know, if you bring anybody down because you want to climb up, you cannot bring somebody down because you want to climb up. It's not good. It's not good. You when you want to come out, you want to be Facebook presenter, you want to be presenter, you want to talk, you want to motivate people, you want to do anything you know so you want to do. Fine. Nobody get your life for you. I mean, nobody dey against what you do. What you need are your phone and your camera. Come out, face your camera, do what you want to. Don't use anybody name take come out for social media. Make una stop my people. Make una stop am. You just come out for social media say you dey fight for this person. You want fight for this person. If you want come out, my sister, I beg come out. No fight for anybody. Take come out. It's our time we stop am. It's our time we stop that thing. You want fight for this, you want fight for this. Who you want fight? First one you want fight for, you not get a man to take fight for himself or herself. You not get a man to take fight for herself or fight for himself. One they come out for social media and somebody name no one they bring down. They bring somebody marriage down. It's very bad. It's not good. Not a good thing at all. If you want come out. If people like what you do, people go follow you now. People go follow you. Before you know what they happen, you don't stay big. Those people, when you don't big now, when they try, when you want bring down, not be say you go succeed though. So because somebody when they bring person down, and who you want bring down, if God there inside, you not go succeed though. You not go succeed. Those people when they see say, they don't dey on top. They work hard to dey there. So you when just they come, not feel say just they come. No, not use another person name to shine. Do what you supposed to do, you go shine. If people like what you they do, you go shine. Not use somebody to shine. Not come to social media, come use somebody to shine. Come bring somebody down. Come they insult person. What you not supposed to talk. Come talk for social media because say you want shine. Because say you want show yourself. It's not good. Make you stop her. I don't know the reason for all this hate for social media. Really, I don't really know the reason for all this hate. Because for me, this social media really big. It will be say if you accommodate everybody, it go accommodate everybody. You don't need to bring anybody down to take climb. No, make we stop my people. It's not good. To just say, I want to come out for social media now. I want to popular now. Make I take this person name, take popular. No. That one is stupid popularity. It's not good. It's not good. The person who want you to stay popular like that, not be so you take command. Now small. All those one wey they see say today now, they don't especially those YouTuber when be say they don't get subscribers. They work hard to reach there. Not be today and tomorrow. Don't be start to. Not be today, yesterday. Don't be start. You don't say some of them don't did this industry for how many years? Make I call her industry, you know. Make I call her industry. They don't did this industry for 2-3 years. You won't just they come today. You want to use their name to climb. It's not if possible. Make you know they bring each other down for social media. You see, you say, I come here, I come out, come fight. I come out, come fight for this so person. I don't want to mention anybody name for my platform here. I come out, come fight for so person. Not come out, come fight for anybody. The person who they fight for, you not get mad. You not get mad to take fight for himself. Why you want fight for him? Why you want fight for him? You don't need to fight for him. My sister, my brother. You don't need to fight for anybody. You don't need to fight for anybody. Make the person by himself come and fight for himself. Make it fight for himself. Make when they bring people down for social media again. It's very bad. They lie. What if somebody do? What if person not do? Now I can't talk on. Who the person be? Who the person not be? Now I can't talk on for social media. Because when I want climb, when I want they make money sharp. It's not good. If you want come out for social media, nobody there against you. Come out. If people like what you do, they could follow you. Things many what they do for social media now. Things many what they you feel do for social media. You feel sell, you feel buy, you anything things many you feel do for social media. Not be able to condemn somebody's name. Don't be to come and carry camera and begin to condemn somebody's name. Begin to bring the person down. They insult the person. My people, more stop on. And we when they do this thing, all of us and they say, hey, do people. It's not good now. Who suppose they encourage each other, they love each other. They support each other. We can't they bring each other down for social media. It's not good now, people. We will stop that thing what they do. It's not good. It's not good. If you feel say sometimes some people they go say they not lie or no me say they not lie. What you they do what they not feel do. Now they not like. What you they do what they not feel do. Now that one they just hate you for. Now that is the thing when I really say about the social media. Sometimes some people really want to be like you. They feel saying that they're supposed to that your position, not be you supposed to there. I don't understand. My sister, my brother, no hurry for life. You go there if you work hard. That position when that person day to day, you go even pass that person if you work hard for your own. If you work hard for your own. We could stop to bring our people down for social media. It's not good. You come out for social media, say you want to fight for somebody. I don't understand. Who they fight for? You fight for yourself. Fight for yourself. They say two people they fight. The third one go come. He go. What dollar you has been talking. He go settle one. You when supposed come and come encourage and say, I bet this thing one or two they do so it's not good. Oh, my sister, my brother, stop them. Now you go come they put fire. Come they say you want fight for this one. You want fight for this one. I beg, not fight. No mean they fight for anybody. You don't tire. We don't want to see all those things again. If two people they fight, let them fight. If they never tire for the fight, maybe they fight the fight or team they go by themselves tire. Those wrong when they sabi fight for people for social media, make them stop them. Stop them. Third person supposed come settle the matter. Not be say you call the put fire. Not call the put fire. Stop them. It's not good, my person. It's not good, my people. It's not good. Make we stop that thing what they do. Stop that thing what they do. Now everywhere they spoil for social media now. Before they hear somebody matter small, they don't jump come out. They don't jump come out and they want to talk calm. Because they want to bring the person down. Because they want say, this I know make could bring her. They don't tell one they find them. You don't come out now. Yeah, make could fire them. You not good. If two people they fight, if the fight never tire them, make could leave them. Make them sorry they fight their fight. Make them they fight their fight. You as a third party, if you can't settle one, if you not feel settle one, walk away. Leave them, make them fight their fight. Not can they join one. Not can they join one. Now all of them take full social media so. When they take the fight for this one, they fight for this one. Tomorrow night, before you know, you don't they do another thing. You don't they motivate people. Because you they fight, you say you will come out say, I want to fight. I want to fight. Like I say the person you want to fight for not get leg and hand, you not get mouth when you want to fight. I don't know which kind of points you know they try prove at all. I don't really know. If you want to come out for so, just come out. Come out. Moku just know say you just come out. Not come they spoil anybody name take come out for social media. We don't want time again. We don't want time again for this social media. We don't want time again. If you just want to come and say, see what here they do, they say this one, they say this one, or they buy this one, or they motivate people, no wahala. Nobody dey goes to my sister. Now also everybody they hustle. So if you want to see hustle you for social media, my sister, my brother, come hustle now, but no use anybody name take come out, come hustle the hustle. Come out on your own. Do better thing, make people go like. People they do a lot. People they do a lot. I don't just want to measure anything again. At least an adult now they talk to, and they know so you can do a lot for social media. When you be say you will be popular, if you be dancer, if you be anything, if you they say anything, just stay popular for social media. You don't need to bring anybody down for this social media because I want popular. Hey, make I bring this one down, or make I take, or make I mention this person name, or make I take the popular. You're not good now. You're not good. You're not good. Not fight for anybody. People when you get issue, let them fight their fight. You when you come as the third person, you supposed to come settle around. Not me to come fight. Not me to come fight for anybody. You're not good. That our character for this social media. You're not good. That our character make us stop her. Make us stop her. Make us stop her. That hate. I don't really know the reason why they really hate ourselves for this social media. I don't really see the reason why they hate ourselves. I mean, we don't drag anything. We don't really drag anything. You they hate your fellow presenter or your fellow YouTuber when you be say not be even the same house on the state, not be the same country on a day. You show you to love and support them. If you see your fellow presenter or your fellow YouTuber they do, excuse me, if they do anything when you be say it good, you go support her now. You support her and say my people make una support this our sister, make una support this our brother. What they do good. What they do good. Don't be so you want bring her down. You support her. So to support ourselves for this social media. Would they hate each other? Why would they hate each other, my people? You're not good now. You're not good. Make not they hate each other again for this social media. This social media big well. It big. And one person of you occupy. It big now. Now don't see Oyibo. Now we start that. Go see Oyibo. They support each other. They do their thing. People know they learn to mind their business. They do that. Everybody they do their thing. We maybe Edo people, we maybe Benin people. Also one can they hate each other for social media. It's not good now. It's not good, my people. It's not good. Mo could stop them. It's not good. It's not good. you insult somebody, you insult your children, you insult your husband. I don't understand. What do you want gain? If that marriage spoil tomorrow, now what do you want gain? You when they carry somebody husband, they insult them. They talk nonsense about the person's husband. They bring the pictures come out for social media. I mean, what do you want gain? If tomorrow now the person now he come, the marriage come break now. And then why in 1 year say the person the marriage don't finally crash or another one in 1 year. You know good now. No, we'll stop her. We won't stop to they hate each other. We're supposed to they support each other for this social media. You know good. Oyibo create this platform for us. Make we support each other. You know say make we they hate each other. These days, if somebody get your bad belly, the next thing is social media. If you and person quarrel, the next thing is social media. Matter when they're supposed to settle for inside house, before you know, you don't read social media. It's not good. If somebody tell you anything, before you know, you don't read social media. Friend not be friend again. They know they see friend. They know they see mama, papa, sister, brother-in-law. No, they know they see anyone again. Before you do something, if once the person just see and say, this person, social media person, they sabi and well, you get followers. Oh yeah, they want bring the person out for social media. You know good when people more could stop them. That kind of character, you know good. Bringing people down, lying. They lie. No good, more stop them. Not good. They lie. You just see, say this thing where even your conscience say go they tell you say this thing when you they talk so not be true. You say I lie. I must talk on. Your conscience already judge you. Don't tell you say this thing you want talk so not be true. You say I must talk on. Make we stop and not good. We're supposed to they encourage each other, they love one another, they support one another, not to they destroy one another for social media. You know good, my people. Most stop them. Most stop. I mean, sometimes when you go through Facebook, you go just see the hate. I mean the hatred. You just see everywhere. I mean, I mean, Facebook, nobody they really they learn anything again for that Facebook. It's not good because everywhere don't scatter. Everywhere don't scatter. If this one matter, they come off for ground. Another one matter go they enter. If this one matter, they come off for ground. Another one go they enter. Just to spoil each other name for social media. And those ones, when they want they spoil their name, they'll say they want come out, come defend them. I want come out, come tell my people say not be na lie, na lie or na true. Who you want come out? Not come defend yourself again. I want come out, come tell my fan say na lie. Sometimes we still need to when somebody talk about you. Sometimes we still need to keep quiet. Sometimes when somebody talk about you like. You just they talk to somebody now, the person not they reply you. You see and say, the person say go tire now. Go tire now. You go say, this person when they talk to, they reply me, what I go do now? It goes tire. Especially those ones where they want to use not popular. No, I don't need to reply them. No, I don't need to reply them. You just see somebody, you don't need to reply them. Just leave them. When the person will make first video, second video, third video, see and say, you not reply, even comment, say you not comment for anywhere. You will see and say the person go tire. The person go tire. Not call they defend yourself again. I want to defend myself. Not call they defend yourself again. But all those ones, they prolong matters. Because the more you they defend yourself, the more you they give the person energy to take do more. You say, hey, don't answer me. Yes, make I fire down. Make I fire down. The more all those things they go viral before you know the whole social media don't hear that person where they make that video now. Sometimes when you go even see her, you don't even get enough friends for Facebook, or if that page you don't even get enough followers for page. But because say you don't reply am, you don't even make the person get enough followers, and if na YouTuber, you don't even make am get enough subscriber because you don't reply am. Because you when they popular, when they want bring down, you don't finally reply am. So you don't promote that person with that now. You don't promote that person with that. Not be every insult we go to reply to. And not be every insult we go to reply. There are some things you just need to let them go. You don't need to reply. You don't need to reply anybody. You don't need to reply anybody. Now, one of my person they talk say, friend when the guy that don't eat, you know want me that talk on the quarrel, public quarrel. Yes. Because what is the third person? What did they tell each other for this life? They say, Bini say, throw away something, and bush, they say, me they throw away and put, throw away matter. Now, bush will not be your belly, you want to throw away and put. You go there, your belly now. So the person say, instead of him, can't say, friend, when he say, the dog that do something, they'll call the exchange way for public. You go also have rest. Even though the person they talk, you go just have rest, you no go reply because you no fit. Yes, that's true. Sometimes we the people when be say they want to bring down, make we not they reply there again. Make we not they reply there again. This year during this pandemic period when we be say this lockdown when everybody take their house. Now so they will bring this one matter come. I want reply and don't cause damage for this social media. Because I want reply some people don't they watch me. How many people don't they watch me? It don't cause a lot of damage for this social media. Not be everything we need to reply. You yourself when you know say what did they talk about you? If not true, if not be true. Sometimes you need to just forget about it. Do what you they do. I mean, people love you for what you they do. People love you to what you they do. Not be everybody you can't reply to. Not be everybody you can't reply to for social media and say, I want to reply, I want to tell my fan the truth. I'm not saying you not tell your fan the truth, not true. But not be all the time you go reply to nonsense for social media. Not be all the time you go reply to. The people when carry me come here today and the people when you just they come, you see that somebody matter, now you want to come out, and you just want to come bring somebody down because may therefore know me. May therefore know me. Not good. Not do one. Those people when you want to bring down now, they work out to reach where they day today. My sister, my brother, if you still work out, you go see reach where you day. Where you define, the position where you define. You go reach them. Just work hard. This life now all about working hard. Now all about doing the right thing, doing something right. Things when you know say they right. If when you do one, if you do the right thing, somebody will love you for what you need to do. And you will get viewers, you will get followers, you will get subscribers. You don't need to bring anybody down for social media because you want the thing safe. I just didn't wonder. These days, these few months now, this one will just come out. You go say that this person name, now you want to popular. This one will come and go say that this person name, now you want to popular. You better stop and you're not good. You're not good at all. You're not good. I mean, you they bring down yourself. Even when you don't even popular self, the popular when you popular self, people not say no go even respect you because they'll say, I beg, leave this one, this one. What did this one know? They were like, what did this one know? Because you bring somebody down, take climb, and you just say the person you bring down, they say they're happy with you, not go happy with you now, and you expect to make you prosper. You know how you want to prosper? You know if you prosper now. When I stop to they bring people down for social media because we don't want popular. We the Edo moko stop to the fight ourselves. Please, if you are just joining, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share the video, please. Our Edo people moko stop make we stop more stop to the God. If you go Facebook, you know see where carry face go. Now nyanga this one go dey finish, one go dey come. This one go dey finish, one go dey come. This one go dey finish, one go dey come. Everywhere men nyanga. It be like somebody when you get battalion for house. When you be say no, they get peace of mind. And so social media can't be now. You enter Facebook, say, you know, whoever, before you know, you don't hear this one matter. Before you know, you don't hear this one. Before you know, this one, don't they carry swear, they swear for this one for one corner. You don't good now. We could stop her. We could face waiting carriers come. If na business and carriers come, face them. If na motivate, you want to motivate people. Motivate people. People will learn. Everybody they learn every day. They say nobody know I finish. If one of those live video presenter, they see they learn. That they learn. We could stop to the use saga till they popular. You know good. With the Edo State people, Bini people, social media don't say that for Bini, we had to Bini. Not good now. Not good now. People more stop them. More stop them. Not good. More stop them. More stop all this hate. More stop all this hate. More stop all this hate. Most of they hate ourselves. We're supposed to they promote each other. Or when we create this platform, they isn't they promote themselves. Not be hate, not they hate each other. We will just come. We can't they hate each other. Somebody will just come. You can't hate your fellow human being. Make we stop all this hate now. All this hate. Where you want carry us go? You don't carry us go anywhere now. You know good. More stop all this social media bullying. More could stop them. Make could stop them. You know good. You know good. Somebody when you bully. I mean the person a human being like you now. The person get family. Make could stop them. More stop to bully each other for social media. More stop all this social media bullying. Make we stop them. Make we stop them. Why not they bully each other? Why not they bring each other down again? Social media don't change to if somebody private life not enter social media. The day when you go finally enter, they'll say they live fake life. Hello, that one not be fake life. Like serious, no, I really want to make somebody come. They bring a private life. They come social media, and that one I really want. Make you just come they talk about himself. I ain't take sleep. I ain't take wake up. Even dream when he dream. I ain't with your husband take like that for bed. What the kind food when eat today? This that. Those one where they do them. If you want, those one where they do them for their family channel. Those things. Okay, it's good for them. Those people not be forced to bring some private life on social media. Somebody come say, I can't help women in distress. Okay, fine. Make una let her do a job. Make una let her. Somebody come say, I can't motivate you now. Make una allow that person do a job in peace. Make it do a job. Na job. All this is when this is na job. Before you person come sit down, come do makeup, come face camera, come dey talk for hours. Don't be job be that one. Make una allow am do im job. Somebody come social media say, he come na say I can't say I know. It's okay. Make una leave am. Make it man a business. Make it face a business. Make it say what you want say. Come on there. We could stop all this hate. It's sort of way to they promote each other, they love each other, we they hate each other. It's not good. We could stop to they hate each other for social media. It's not good. Somebody want come out for social media, want come out go say they know the way they come out again. The other next thing make I talk this person matter when it be say the thing don't pass. They don't fair talk am before the person in with a gather quarrel the thing don't pass. Una go see the break they come again. They prolong the matter. They let the matter they finish for social media. It's not good now. It's not good now. People more could stop him. It's not good. Two person don't quarrel a long time ago. Another person go come because you want to use the person stay popular. You go come they talk the matter again. It's not good. Make you stop her. If you want come, my sister, carry book and barrel. Say, I want come social media. What you want carry me come social media? Now motivate, I want come motivate. Or na say I want come say. Or what I want come do now. Or na dance, I want come dance. Or I want come be comedian. I want come face anything you know say you want carry you come, my sister. Carry pen and barrel. They do one. Make sure say that thing when they do not come up from that department. We just did that department. Let me say you the enter on that person department. We could stop to the enter on that person department. It's not good. We could stop to the enter on that people department. Now hook up you want call they do. My sister, face your hook up. Face your hook up. Anything you know say you want to do for social media. Face them. Do them. God will bless you. God will bless you. You don't need to bring anybody down for social media before God will bless you. No. If bringing people down, now you feel say God, no, that will not be God blessing. Now devil blindly bless you like that. If bringing people down, now he will give you subscribers. My dear, now devil they bless you. Won't be God they bless you. That kind of blessing not they come from God. Especially when the person not do you anything. Somebody not do you anything. So you just sit down. You say, make I come bring the person down. Make I come talk about the person. They know they see sister for social media again. They know they see papa. They know they see mama. They know they see father-in-law. They know they see mother-in-law. Everybody want come and come talk about you. Come bring each other down for social media. They know they see brother, sister again. Before you and your brother quarrel, it don't carry you come out. Before you and your sister quarrel, it don't carry you come out. Before you and your mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law quarrel, they don't carry you come out. Waiting they happen, make you stop them now. In time when social media never come, they don't they settle matter. They don't they settle matter. In time when social media never come, we know they settle matter. If you and your brother they quarrel, if you and your sister they quarrel, mama, papa, if you are not get mama, papa again, family they will call around say, waiting happen, waiting. This one go talk, this one go talk. They go settle now. But these days, now social media now they for they talk, and social media know they, they want they help issues because bloggers just want use and they shine. They just want see story talk. Everybody just want see story talk. Everybody want just quick talk. See what they just want talk. They really they help issue. They really if I did the hate say go even high. Now there people say for even your neighbors when they don't even know say you and your sister they quarrel before through this social media and therefore they see say you and your sister they quarrel or you and your brother they quarrel. Your neighbor when they see you before they say they admire you. Through this social media and they'll come say see waiting day. Say you and your sister or you and your brother they quarrel. Internet social media never come. They don't settle matter. They don't settle matter. We could stop all this social media bullying. It's not good. We could stop them. It's not good. We just come each other. You just come social media, come they bully each other. It's not good. We could stop them. It's not good at all. We could stop them. We could start to bully each other for social media. It's not good. It's not good. Somebody not fit do anything in peace again because of social media bullying. Before you talk, they'll say they want to carry you come out. Especially if you be presenter. Some presenters say fear not go level let them eat for public again. Because people want snap, they push your cons, put out for social media, how they open their mouths, they eat for public. Some presenter no they feel they live their life again because of social media. They know they feel live their life again. They know they feel do what they supposed to do again. Some people presenters said they know they even feel come out without say they don't rub makeup because man or me I would never hold. They don't know one sit them. They don't go see snap picture put for social media. People know they live free life again because of social media bullying. Before you talk, they don't carry you come out. before you do the, they don't carry you come out. People want they feel live their free life again because of social media. We could stop all this social media bullying what they do. It's not good. Somebody could post the husband picture. Especially if you don't be presenter, oh yeah, before you know, they don't fire you. They don't fire you. Somebody will post the children picture. They don't fire and say, see you trust and wear. See this one. It's not good now. Make us stop. Make us stop to the bullying each other. We're supposed to encourage each other. They love each other. They encourage and they support each other. Not be to they bully each other for social media. Not be to they bully each other. Make us stop this social media bullying. It's not good. It not go carry us go anywhere. It not go carry us go anywhere. Where you want carry us go? Even if say you get fame, if like you popular, popular now. Yes, now popular when you popular. Which kind popular? Foolishness. So when people take they insult you, Now some will say they get followers. Followers when it be say now insult and they insult you now. If they your platform, if they go on that platform, they'll go insult you now there. They'll say are they popular? Which kind popular? Popular when you take they fool yourself, or popular when you not take get respect, or popular when it be say who not reach to talk to you or call they talk to you for social media because they want popular. People when not reach to talk to you, they'll call they talk to you. People when not reach, when they go stand for your front, say fear not go let them talk. Social media don't give them the right to talk because they go on their camera, they can do anything they like. It's not good now. Now human being now will be. It's not good. Not be everybody get this heart of to take beer around. Some people bullying na a very big thing to them. Some people time go reach all these bullying go make a lot of people they commit suicide because why the thing don't too much. Don't be everybody get the heart to take calm. Don't be everybody get the mind to take calm. The person go enter social media, you go see and say you don't rubbish him. You don't rubbish your husband, you don't rubbish your mama, you don't rubbish your papa, you don't rubbish your children. The person will say, make her enter Facebook. Before you know, you don't see children pictures. You don't see your husband picture. Make you stop all this social media bullying. Make you stop them. It's not good. Fear not let some people they talk again. Because if you talk now, they'll say carry you come out. Or say, now you, they'll carry you come out. It's not good now, people. Make you stop them. Make you stop them. Matter when it don't happen for months, when they don't even settle, you'll see and say somebody because say you want to be a live video presenter, you go feel saying that story, now you go take comment. What you don't pass, you constantly talk. You can't talk because you want to get viewer, because you want to be popular. My sister, if you sit down, carry biro and paper, begin to write, say, I want to enter social media. What you want to do for this social media? My sister, if you carry biro and begin to write, you'll see and say, many ideas go to come your way. Many ideas go to come your head. Go to enter your head. As you write, the thing go to come. They write and time enough for forget. And I use someone can talk, no someone can do, someone can do. Make us stop to bully ourselves for social media. Do people allow. I beg and they beg. Make us stop them. It's not good. I know as they talk now, they'll say, what is this one they talk? Come on here, you defend subscriber. You defend this one. You defend, you want popular. And I true, I want popular. But I know if you bring somebody down, take popular. No. If you come across this video, you want come out, you will watch me, so subscribe to my channel because I need subscribers. I want popular also. But I know if you bring somebody down because I want popular. No. I don't go feed down. I don't go feed down. I don't go feed down. I cannot. I mean, my conscience ain't go fit judge me. Somebody want break. Somebody when don't do social media for 3, 4, 5 years, 2 years. You want come, you want they come today. You want shine pass am. You think say bringing her or him or her down will come make you pass am, or you come because of the insult when they throw give am, you come make the person say make her quit social media because of you. Hello, who want quit social media because of you? You can't expect me the person quit social media because of you. You can't expect me the person quit social media because of you. No, nah, you don't feel possible now. You don't feel quit social media because of you. You won't just come yesterday. Somebody will don't day. You say make it. You say bringing the person down will make the person quit social media for you. For you. If he quit the social media for you, now the job when he or her be they do, you feel doing. You will feel doing. You won't just they know they come so. You won't they look me so. You will feel doing. The job when be they do. The lives when be they save. You will feel save them. You will feel save them. The people when be they help. The people when they use the platform to they bless. You will feel bless the people. You when they bring somebody down, you say make a portion enter house. Make a day. If the person can't enter house because of you, what till the person be they do for that platform, you go fit doing. You win just the cons so when your blood they also you go fit doing. You go fit doing. I beg people make we stop all these things. You not good You're not good. Make we stop to they bully each other for social media. We're supposed to encourage ourselves. If you don't know something, all these people when you they bully if you know you can call them. Mama or brother or auntie or uncle, I want to be like you. Hey, I admire you. How I want to do. They go show you roads. They go show you road that you take doing. And those people when you don't see there on top also, when you be say una want common ladder for grants, maybe say people when you they knew they come, people like us. Now no one make you climb. It's not good. Make una stop. It's not good. If you don't see climb, allow people see climb. Allow people climb. Let them climb. Let them climb. Make them see chop for the national cake. Not be bad thing say they see chop for the cake now. Not be bad thing. Let them climb. You when you don't dey on top, you say you don't want allow people when you don't they come, make them climb. It's not good. You when they do that thing, if you they watch me now, stop am. Not do it again. Yes, I mean they talk. Stop am. Not do it again. Allow the young shall grow. They say the young shall grow. Allow them to also shine their shine. Give them opportunity to also shine also. Give them opportunity to make them shine. You when you don't dey on top, you say you don't want me the ones when they can't grow. No. If you they do them, if you they do that thing, stop and it's not good. It's not good. Allow the upcoming, allow them, may they see shine. May they see shine. May they still make calm. Who knows? Maybe they still get 1 or 2 things when the one can still impart. Maybe people go still learn from. If you don't give them chance like that, how they discover themselves, or the things that they want to bring out, how they want to bring them out. If you when you don't dey on top, not give them chance to take one. If you not give them chance, how they want to come up? They don't feel come up now. Like you need to give the chance. You when don't dey up there, you will encourage them, support them, love them, make them for grow. You when just the new they come. If you don't know how to do them, those people when they on top, call them, ask them. Before you call 1, 2, 3, you must see one way go give you good advice when you need. If you call this one, it not answer you. You call this one, it not answer you. Before you call up to 10 people, Facebook, you know me say you be black or because you be black, so you want to contact your fellow black. No, you can contact other people as well. Other presenter when they watch, even though they're not from those states, it don't matter. Anyone when you know so you will feel contact when you be said that they feel they talk to. If you don't know what they do, contact them, make they tell you. contact them, make they tell you. They will see tell you. Before you contact 1 to 5 people, you go see somebody when go give you the real advice when you need. You don't need to bring anybody down for social media. You don't need to bring anybody down for social media because you want popular or may forget viewers. You know good. Make you stop and you know good. I mean, not be everybody they fit take this social media bully. Even me when they yes, I not go fit take them. I not even sure I go fit take them. I not go fit take them. I not go fit take them. You know good. Make you stop them. Make you stop them. Nobody they feel live their free life again for social media. Now I made they say people they live fake life. People they live fake life because sometimes if they really bring out the real life, they not go accept them. Nobody go accept them. If they bring out the real human being when they them, nobody go accept them. Me could they allow people they live their free life. At least somebody when if buy phone, come sit down on top of camera. So far you not gonna do wrong thing for them. If you do wrong thing, we'll just see people, if viewers will just see query, say this thing you do so, you not good, stop him. Not be say you the bully am. Carry picture come out, carry children picture come out, carry husband picture come out, insult them, abuse them. You know good, make we stop am. When they do that thing, make we stop am. You know good. I mean, we know they help anybody. A lot of people when they will really want to come out for this social media, can't really talk better to you, or even they educate people because of social media bullying. Some of them don't really stay. They don't stay indoors. Fear not let them come out. If I still come out just now, I don't know what they will tell me. I don't know you can't insult when they will give me. Not be everybody they feel they take insult. Especially those one when you busy, they know they insult people. They not sabi insult people. So they know they feel take them. People when not sabi insult people, when they mind their business, they do their things. They know they feel take insult from anybody. They know they feel take them. Somebody nothing when you pain pass say waiting you not be somebody you can't come out, can't tell you say that one are useless, that is very, very bad. It's very, very bad. Make us stop her. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Learn to mind your business. Do your own. Do your own. If you as a presenter, another presenter, they go, they do live or they do something when they interesting, when they educating, when they educate people, you can still go there. You put your comment, you put your like, you know, you go there. The person saying when they do that, you could even notice. So person like this, they my platform or. If you still bring her out, so person like this, yeah, subscribe to a channel and support her, like a page, follow a page. Because you don't come outside, can't support the person. Not be by bring people down, not being you take get viewer or you take prosper. You don't prosper in that way. Even if you feel say, I thought they prosper since when I thought they bring people down, I thought they get view. I mean, dear, not because they bless you. Now devil not they bless you, so you don't know. All the type of blessing, you know, they last. Your channel, you know they grow now. Your page, you know they grow now. You go there when you don't get the viewers, they bring somebody down. Finish. After they don't like follow your page, before you know they will come out now. They go come out. They go come out now. They don't get interest again. Because the only thing when they get interest before, now they won't come here until you want to talk. They won't come here the secret about that person, and you don't finally come out, can't talk. And those ones they won't just hear now. After they don't hear and finish, they'll carry their bag. Oh yeah, they'll come out because You are not doing anything interesting or when they educate people when they say they want to stay for there. No. Make we stop to dey bring each other down for social media. It's not good. I mean, we are not doing each other any good. We are not doing each other any good. We are supposed to be encouraging each other, loving one another, supporting one another. And most of us, when they do this, we not dey the same country sef. We know, especially those one wey basically with Europe. We not even dey the same country. If you, for instance, you dey sell eyelash, you dey Spain. Me, I dey sell eyelash, I dey Germany. If we support one, we fit even support one another. People when dey Spain go contact you. Why people when dey Germany, yeah, go contact me. We no need to bring each other down. And if it can't be say we know they really they do the same thing for social media, why we not just face our own, make we mind our business, make we do our own things, not be to the can't they bring anybody down, and not just no one mention anybody name for here, but those of you know they sabi they bring people down, make una stop them. You know good. All those people they work so hard when they tell you what they did today. So you when you sleep since, you know if you just wake up today say you want to bring the person down, you not good. You not good. Make we stop her. Make we stop her. Make we stop am, guys. You not good. Those will not be popular. I mean, which kind of popular you want popular? Which kind of popularity be that one? You not good. Make we stop am. Make we stop am. Do your things. If you do your thing, people like what you are doing. They will love you. They will support you, and they will be there for you. Make we stop to bring each other down for social media. Make we stop am. We'll stop am. Okay, my people, please, if you come across this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sandra Tima TV channel. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, like the video. Okay, you can also follow me on my page. You can follow me on Instagram, all the social media handles. You can also follow me there. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, let's stop bullying on social media. It's not good. I mean, we are not helping anybody. We're not good. Supposed to promote ourselves. You're not good. Make us stop. I'm also stop to bully each other for social media. I mean, not everybody they feel they take this type of bullying. Not good. You're not good. Some people they pass through a lot for their hearts. For guys say they call the face camera, they smile. Nah, lie. They pass through a lot because of this bully. I mean, somebody enter Facebook, see say they don't bring a picture, come outside, they don't insult her, or don't even they talk with him, be say she no one, no two. They don't talk her for a body. Not be good thing now. Not be good thing, my people. Make we stop social media bullying, okay? Let's stop social media bullying. Let's love one another. Let's support each other. Let's encourage each other. And let's stop this social media bullying, guys. Let's stop it. It's not good. We are not helping each other, please. Okay? Thank you very much. Please, if you come across this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.